Okay, so welcome back. So let's do this example here. So here's our function. This is what we want to integrate, right? This is, or we want to approximate it. And we want to approximate it using S2, okay? So again, we got to make sure we do our substitute. So n is equal to 2. So we want to find our subintervals. So delta x, of course, is again from a to b. So it's b minus a over n, which in this case is going to be 1 minus 0 over 2, which equals a half. So that means our subintervals are going to go from what? It's going to be 0 to a half, and it's going to be from a half to 1. Right? And so there's, again, n is equal to 2, so there's our two subintervals. Okay, so the points that we're going to use are the endpoints. So x0 equals 0, x1 equals a half, and x3 equals 1. Okay, so now that's what we're going to use. So what does that mean? Now, so f of x, again, so f of x is equal to x cubed. So let's solve this. So S2 is then equal to delta x over 3 times, well, it's going to be f of x 0, what? Plus 4 times f of x1. Okay, and then since we end here with f of x 3, this is going to be plus f of x 2, like so. Okay, and that's it. And remember, that's what we got in the derivation for the first interval, right? So this basically is the first 3 points. So that makes sense from what we did in the derivation, okay? So now, let's plug it in and see what we get. So we get delta x. What's delta x in this case? Delta x is a half, right? Over 3. Which gives us 1/6, right? So 1/6 times, and what is this? This is f of x0, which is going to be f of x, which is 0, right? So this is just going to be 0 cubed plus 4 times, well, this is a half, right? So this is going to be a half cubed, and then x2 is 1, so this is just going to be 1 cubed. Okay, so now we get 1/6, this is just 0 plus 4 over 8 plus 1. Okay, and so what do we get? So let's put this 8 over 8. So what do we get? We get 1/6 times, if this is 8 over 8, we get 12 over 8. Okay, and if we, let's see, cancel 2. Oh, wait a minute, sorry. So 6 goes into 12 2 times, and so we get 1/4. And so we approximate the answer to this integral to be 1/4. And that's it. See you next time.